You ready? You ready? Okay. So, we're looking at this guy, and they want us to find the area. They want us to evaluate that integral using the function. So, I just want to remind you that the function's on the inside. It's the integrand, man. So that function is f of x is equal to the absolute value of x minus 5. And what is that? That's the v shifted which way? To the right 5 units. And if we draw it, it looks like that. But we don't need the entire absolute value. We look at the limits. The limits, these guys, that 0 and that 10. Then we can go ahead and we can get rid of all the stuff that we don't want. Yeah. That's the stuff we don't like. So we got rid of that, and what are we looking for? We're looking for the area underneath the curve, between the curve and the x-axis. Let me illustrate. We're looking for that stuff, that yellow stuff. That's the right stuff. Oh. But we can interpret that area because that's triangles, two triangles, and the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. Right. So then I identify that I have a triangle, and I'm just going to double it because of the symmetry of that graph. So we'll do that. We're going to do 2 times the area of that. So that's that, and I keep on keeping on. I find the area of that triangle. But the sides are 5 and 5. Why? Because our limits of integration are 10, and that's halfway. So if we count it out. We count 5 on the base, and we count 5 on the height. Right. Because our slope is 1, so our height is necessarily going to be 5, but we could have counted. And then we throw it into our formula, and we clean it up. Box and flour.